Welcome back, young friends. Grab your favorite hooks and a cozy cup of tea. If you're new here, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Press the bell icon so you never miss our latest video. Today we are diving into some absolutely gorgeous crochet pattern inspiration. If you're looking for your next big projects or just love admiring beautiful handmade pieces, you are in the right place. So watch whole video till the end. If you're new here, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today and admiring these beautiful designs. If you enjoyed this visual inspiration, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cozy crochet content. Until next time, happy stitching and bye for now. Thank you guys for watching video.